weekend with mixed data. Merry Christmas! We hope you receive one blessing after another this coming year. While we will have the last week of this year, the mixed data confuse investors and market participants. They are mixed because some part of these data show improvements despite disappointment in other sectors in the same economy. Moreover, we can see these differences between countries in a bigger picture as well. However, the differences in the economic growth rate can keep us optimistic for the following year. Let's see what we have to watch closely in the last week of 2022. Number 1. Japanese data. The week will start with Christmas holiday on Monday. Moreover, while some economies will continue their holidays on Tuesday, Japanese will release labor market data and retail sales numbers, and the central bank governor will give a speech. Like most developed economies, the Japanese also had uneven growth through 2022. We expect rising job applications compared to actual jobs, which is in line with slower retail sales in November at 3.7%, down from 4.4% seen in October, can give us a weaker outlook for the economy. On the other side, industrial production on Wednesday is supposed to fall only 0.3% in November, which is better than minus 3.2% fall in October. Expected data should help the yen against its costs. Number 2, S&P Whole Price Index. After a long time raising prices from February 2020 until this summer, house prices in the US recently started to decrease. According to the 𝗃𝗶𝗵𝗃𝗃, home prices declined 2.2% from July through September. Higher mortgage rates and cooling economy turned prices negative in parts of the country, which is expected to continue as the Fed is still planning to raise rates and hold them for a longer time. In November, house prices are expected to fall by 1%, better than 4.6% fall in October, which can be due to buying before New Year Eve. Number 3, China PMIs. China's November PMIs should reflect a rebound in the COVID cases over the past several weeks. We expect softer service activities in December by falling to 46.5, but December manufacturing PMI is forecasted to edge up to 48.3. Recently, China government eased some COVID-related restrictions, which can offer some encouragement for firming in economic activities going forward. These data are supposed to help the yuan against its crosses. And finally, warning of the last week. Since it's the last week of the year and it starts and ends with holidays on Monday and Friday in the most developed economies, most traders and investors will be out of the market. Fewer traders and investors means less liquidity, therefore spreads can increase and prices will have sharp movements with no reason but lack of liquidity. Thus, while it can create an exciting choice for scalping, it can sometimes be so risky, so please be careful about your positions. Thanks for watching this video and hope it's going to be an amazing week for all of you guys.